Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for subscribing and hitting the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be reviewing this Chief Instant Pholourie mix. Pholourie is one of my favorite childhood snacks. The main ingredients in the Pholourie mix is flour and yellow split peas. And it is a Trinidad and Tobago product. Chief is a very well-known brand. I used a curry powder in my curry. For my ingredients, I have some green onions. I have some vegetable oil. The recipe requires 1 cup of water. I'm adding my Pholourie mix into a medium-sized bowl. I'm mixing in my 1 cup of water, half a cup at a time. The consistency was supposed to be pasty and not dry, so I added about half a cup more of water. Once it starts to get pasty, I'm adding in my green onions. I tasted the mixture and it was bland, so I added 2 pinches of Himalayan salt and half a teaspoon of curry powder. This is optional, but I'm also adding about half a teaspoon of my green seasoning. So now that it has the right consistency and the right flavor, we are ready to make some Pholourie. I'm preheating my vegetable oil on high heat. My oil is ready, so I'm adding my Pholourie mixture 1 tablespoon at a time until the pot is filled. The Pholourie will rise and float to the top of the oil. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made Pholourie from scratch, or have you ever had Pholourie. So I'm going to cook these Pholourie until they are golden brown while flipping them occasionally. Once they're done, I'm going to place them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. So the first batch is done and they are coming out amazing. It smells amazing. So I'm going to continue cooking the rest of the Pholourie until I have used all the Pholourie mixture. They are golden brown and beautiful. So the Pholourie is done and ready to be served. And it is usually served with a mango dip. So I decided to make my own homemade mango dip, which by the way came out delicious. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.